watching the wrong car.
Funny.
It was actually all very close. It was all within, the whole thing was within 2 laps, so it was,
But I mean, I got in that first crash, and that made me just, my whole rhythm was off, and suddenly I just.
Are we ready?
yes, indeed.
Okay. In that case.
It was a
did
slow,
catch up
I got
with it.
nailed out in the first hairpin,
I need
and,
to.
yeah, no, you and I were,
That's what she said.
and it was a slow crawl back, I'll tell you.
This car doesn't have the pickup the red car does.
Yeah. Wow.
I was on 2 wheels there.
Oh.
Oh.
Button. Thank you.
Bill for winning.
Ready? I'm in the lead for
By
now.
a lot, by accident, no,
In the little glass latex car.
it's like 4.
Isn't that a house-made
So
car?
I was in a rhythm, so I did have a little bit more of a lead.
Oh, yeah.
And then I do that.
Ready?
First to third, it's not the end.
I've had that happen
Yeah,
on
but it's
plenty
gonna
of
be hard
times.
to catch up. Is this the leader of the race now?
No, I was 4th.
Oh, really? How did you get there?
I think I've crashed 2 or 3 times.
Oh, I know how that is.
Sandy morning.
Oh,
How's it smell back there?
You can't get around you.
You know I can't over by the finish line.
thank you very much.
Yeah, interesting.
That was a
I can't go
crazy
too
crash,
fast.
so-
Because
I
I
didn't
will
see
roll.
Martin might need
Ready?
to put,
No, he's good.
okay, good.
And I can push Sandy morning.
And it was a push right before the second tower went off.
That's. And Bill
Yes!
Sandy.
Yes!
I'll take a put, I will.
I'm
take
sorry,
it.
but
Yes.
you were a pain in my ass.
And I was switching to get around you.
Okay. Are we
I know,
ready?
I've been
Yeah.
keenly aware of it. You're able to catch up to me and push
I
me
know,
around on my
I know.
bumper.
I know.
If you get in the other
I
lane,
know
you
that
can't
wasn't
get
you
past
at
me.
all.
Ready?
Yeah, I know, and it's sucks.
I'm so far behind that that's not a very good sign if you think anyway.
So far behind, all you're going to do is take other people out. But
And I lost this
It's
one.
gonna be fun moving on to the next class.
Hang on. Martin's in the lead. Yep.
Yeah, and I was
With,
this close behind, and then
oh.
I changed lanes.
Am
Carter, I
you're,
was this.
you're second then.
Yeah, I was this close behind him, but I tried to pass
Third
over
and fourth.
here.
I'm fourth now, right? He
I
was
tried to pass over
last.
here, and I came out.
we were
It
fighting
almost
it
went off
for
the table.
6 laps, was it?
5 seconds behind Martin.
Are we ready?
So no, I'm not. Yes, I am.
Okay, here we go.
So it's actually we're not as far off as we think we are, but we
No.
are. For 5 seconds, how you gonna make that up anytime soon?
I'll look you back.
Thank you.
5.
Although with your yellow car, you should be able to be fighting in the lead.
I'm finding this one harder to drive than I did before. It must be me. Here we go.
I didn't do it.
No. I've had issues tonight. I keep having the same one over and over this race.
What's the issue?
I'm getting on the gas at the wrong
You're in the
moment.
lead.
And I'm just, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Thank
right.
you.
That's the,
You're welcome.
oh,
very
Very
nice.
let me go by.
That's odd.
Well, I'm sorry about your issue. You want a tissue?
no, it's all over your back, Martin.
We'll laugh it up.
I don't think so.
It's yours.
Yeah, yours now.
I had Troy laughing with a comment like that one.
I just barely discussed it.
Barely?
Was it
How
show
about
guys?
totally?
Was it we were playing Shogun, and I told Troy that we would totally fucking laugh, and he better pull out and pedal on his back. And he had him fucking laughing like mad. Oh god.
You know, I never played Shogun.
Fun game.
Now Carter's doing what I tried to do.
Thank you.
Well, now that
I need
was
to
on
push.
the scene.
Yeah,
Do I need to push?
Yeah, you do.
Okay, ready?
You don't.
Alright.
Now I see what Carter's driving. I know I'm going to lose the race in the last lap.
He's got me behind him, buddy. I'm behind you. And Carter's behind me. Oh, Carter, I saw that. Oh!
I don't know who was fucked up, but
I don't.
they were behind
Press
me.
the button!
I was out. I did. I said button.
The
Did I
button
knock you
was
out?
pressed and it
Did I
didn't.
take you out?
No, I got Neal was in the way, and then apparently the button was pressed, but it didn't go off, and then
I never heard the button ever.
I said button and I pressed
The
it.
button got button fucked like 10 times.
I should have marked on my own damn car.
Wait a
That
minute.
should be
Wait,
up
no,
here.
no. Where? You were right next to me. You crashed right behind me, Carter.
Yes, and I put and button. I just put my
Oh,
car on,
Okay.
and
Okay, gotcha.
I should have done that. I was waiting for a button. I'm like, where is it?
I didn't know that was you.
Are we ready?
Well, I'm done.
Here we go.
You got first place now, by the way.
I do.
Yes.
This is a fortuitous lane change for me then. I went to the outside lane. I went to the outside lane and okay.
Ready?
Yes.
I'll watch this one.
And suddenly there were pile-ups and crashes in the other lane.
And I was part of that pile, and I couldn't get around it. Oh, you know what happened?
Martin.
Is I could have got around it, but you
What's
put
that?
Neal into me.
Not
and
quite
Neal
last
out
lap.
already.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Well, once he's got that Lambo, no one else can beat him.
I didn't do it.
I know.
Oh God!
I
You took
tried-
me out right there.
I tried.
No. Other way around, please.
I tried to fix it, but I still like. I'm like, oh
He
shit.
took me out at the lane changer right there. I'm just like, he was in the
I
outside.
tried to
lane.
correct it, but I'm like, oh, it's too late.
Thank you.
I'm sorry,
Okay.
Carter.
Are
It's
we
okay.
ready?
No.
I got Carter. What happened down here was Neal came out, and then you
Where's
pushed
my
Neal
car?
into me.
I don't know where your car is.
But I could have snapped
Yeah,
by.
where's the red car?
Like, oh.
I
the white
see.
one. Oh,
Okay,
the
'cause
white
I
one.
heard
It's over there by
contact,
you.
and I
Oh,
said,
the white. You're the white
Yeah,
car
yeah.
now. That's right.
Do I need a push or am I good?
You're good.
So I went from second or first or second to.
I don't know. We're gonna find
Okay.
out here in a second. It all changed
Ready.
here. Yeah.
I got screwed is what I knew.
You got screwed.
Yeah.
I'll tell you who got screwed.
No, over here.
Over here. I was in the lead.
No,
Carter
I'm
was
over there.
behind me.
Ready?
Here we go.
Hold up.
We both got screwed.
It's a 5
The car
seconds
is
to race.
still out
There's
over
5 seconds to
Okay,
this
5
race.
seconds.
Okay.
I got it.
Someone
I got
put me
it.
back on the track. Thank you.
That's
I
fair.
got it.
Okay.
Now you
I
can
saw it.
talk.
Okay,
Stop.
here we go.
Stop. Okay. Now.
Okay, over here. I was in the lead. I had Carter behind me. You had just got screwed over here in the wreck with
that's what I got
Neal.
screwed.
Oh, wait.
What
And I
happened?
was behind him in that wreck. I was behind him
He-
when that wreck began.
4-5.
Yes,
He
and that's
pushed-
that's not the part I was talking about.
Fine.
I
Hold
was
on,
just.
one sec.
But I wanted to embellish your story is all.
Oh,
Because I went
hold
from-
on. We got waiting for Neal for some reason.
I was just gonna name off the number.
Yeah,
The
'cause
order.
Oh, I should be third.
4, 5, 1, 2.
I went from
Second.
second
Wow.
to fourth.
That's surprising. But anyway, okay, over here,
Much
Good
better.
job.
Yeah.
I was in the lead.
Better.
Carter was behind me. I pop out. But the button had already been hit. So I was just waiting for the 2 second. I pop out. Carter pops out.
And the
And he slides up right behind me. He's out. He's off lane. I'm off lane. We're both out. The button call is coming. And I'm going, all right, Carter's in a position he can self-manage. I can't. So I'm going, but I've got a button call. It's about to hit. Carter's on the track. Suddenly, deet, 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 the time the button call actually goes off. Where it should have gone off there with Carter maybe within 6 inches of my car. But no, there was some fucking button fucking going on. And
But Martin, hear the story too. The button was called when I was down in the hairpin turn.
yes.
Look how far the button, no button, no button, no button, no button, no
Yeah.
button, no button crash. Then the button. Okay, that's when I didn't even know that was you, and it was.
I never
That's
heard
how.
a button over here.
That's the button that they're talking about.
Right.
That should have been hit. That's where Neal
I
crashed,
hit it and it
and
didn't
that's
go
where
off.
I was behind. So there was.
Okay, so then when I crashed here, I had heard a button go off that was almost 2 seconds before I crashed. It was a second and a half before I crashed. And that's why when you self-rate managed, I was like, I'm not that bad. I'll be right behind him. It's no big deal. I got the benefit of someone else crashing. But then more, and it's like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
And that cost me a lot because I could have stayed in contention with you.
If the button had gone off there, Martin, might have gotten to where that car is right there, maximum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how.
But you
That's,
made it through this though, right?
uh-huh.
Yeah,
I changed-
he pushed Neal's car into me, which is off, and I could have snuck by.
I was right.
And then
I was
I
right
did-
ahead of you guys. I saw Neil
And
there.
then
I was
I
back or
changed
whatever.
lanes
And when
here.
I went
Well, you
through,
two guys were that
I
way,
didn't
and
touch
you
it.
two,
It was like perfectly spaced for me to
I
go
just
through.
came
Yeah,
out
'cause
and
I
I
was over
said
here.
button and hit the button, nothing happened. Yeah. And that's basically what happened.
Anyway,
You guys screwed me.